Welcome to part 5, the final part of the sew along for the bra. Let's finish sewing this S9478. So the first step is we are going to put the ring around your strap point. Now, regardless of whether you're an extra small, medium, large, extra large, 2XL, whatever size you are, if you've ordered a DIY kit before from Madalynne, usually the smaller size range gets the smaller ring. And the larger size range gets a larger 3/4 of an inch ring. But as you can see for the 9478, if you take into account the decorative edge of the picot elastic, you really want a wide ring. This one's 3/4. You could probably go up to an inch, 7/8, or even an inch. So you're going to wrap that around. You want it to fold it back about a half of an inch. And this is why I leave a tail on here. It makes it a lot easier at this step to sew the ring. Once we sew this down, you will cut it close to the stitching and finish it off and clean it up, I mean. So now we sewed the ring, let's go on to sewing the straps. So you want to cut your straps into 2 lengths. You can really cut it at any size right now or any length right now. And you are going to take one of your sliders. You're going to put your strap elastic up and over the center bar and down again. You want the shiny side face up. And then you're going to fold it back about 3/4 of an inch. And you're going to sew back and forth about 3 or 4 times using a straight stitch. I'm going to shorten my stitch length. I'm also going to move my needle position all the way to the right so that I can get really close to the metal. You can also trim this really close to the stitching. Okay, so now you are going to feed this through the ring with the right side. So the right side, shiny side should be face up. And you're going to put it up and over that center bar and down again, just like you did in the previous step. And this distance right here from the slider to the edge of the ring should be about an inch long. Okay. And now I'm going to sew them onto the back band. Now again, I deviated from the instructions, and I am going to create a U-back, but I'm going to finish the U-back with the strap elastic. So if I'm going to take this over, I'm going to sew a zigzag stitch instead of finishing it with picot elastic. I find this type of strap arrangement is a little bit more supportive as well as easier to sew. So you want to refer to your pattern for how long your strap should be from the ring to the top of the strap point. So I know my strap length, what it should be 10 inches. And I'm going to place that on top, at the top of the back band. And I'm going to have the strap elastic hanging just over the back edge. Now I serge the edge of my back band. If you don't have a serger, it is not necessary. It is just going to fit. And then I'm going to sew that down with a zigzag stitch. Okay, so now let's go on to the very last step, which is sewing on the hooks and eyes. So this step seems intimidating, but it is not. So you're going to take your hooks or your eyes, and you're going to open the tape. You're going to place your center back opening inside the tape. You're going to close it and then sew with a straight stitch. I like to go all the way down and then all the way back again. And once you press it, it'll press nicely into shape. And then for the hook side, you will do the same thing as far as opening the tape, putting it in, and then closing the tape. But you will have to sew with the hook side face up and move your needle position because you won't be able to sew it. You don't want to put the hooks, you don't want the hooks to be face down. You want them to be face up. It'll be much easier to sew and it might damage your machine. But in order to get this underneath the presser foot, you have to adjust your needle position. There you have it. You are all finished with sewing the bra. Woo! All right. If you made it to this point, you definitely need to give yourself a huge pat on the back, round of applause for finishing the S9478. It is definitely a challenging sew, totally doable, but definitely challenging. So thanks again for joining. You did awesome. I mean, I don't really know personally, but I'm assuming that if you made it to this point, you did awesome.